Abusiam no ka say the Ghana for say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aban no eba ye no omoton a yento omo say de omo ye bia no enye yie na ende nya ba ko abonten ene Ghana for ni bi ko di nkomo e ko twetwe nkomo buso omo say obepese obema NPP osugo ko amanyoko no chance biom na masanso aba aban mu ana no say I'm ene enwane busa ne say den na original so de ahwe say NPP ensambre aban mu biom ene o say afre sese apra na NPP wa aban mu no na so moba kromu a omo nyeska kofie nanso enne NDC the National Deceivers Congress and I said the National Demonic Congress eba aban mu no omo ton ayento omo noa enwa se so mo yehwe ya enye yi a o kire say amansi si ana omo boka pa o sun difference nka ebe ya NPP aban no nsambra no mba meji omo ha eye Ghana Insem TV intimi ne wo eba ko tie insem a Ghana fo dia to dwade afa NDC amambofun tantan a omo bun ene so omo su different NPP eye osunu kokokro amanyokro no se nka mo nsambra na mo mbra meji omo answer the question busa stress obe like it obe share na we nso a wa kire wa dwen e wo comment section no yenko tie insem o Ghana fo e dia to dwa na ewia e ba be kire adwen e won yenko mbra.
Would you ever reconsider the MPP back to power if you have the opportunity?
Yeah, because MPP there, we get something for the street. NDC come on, if they do something for the street, just by the streets, nothing. We don't get nothing for the street. But MPP there, we get something. Last year, if we come on, we will get something go home.
But this year,
if you go counter self company, the first way they sell the goods for you, the price where them go take even if you come company, I mention the price, the person go come out.
That'd be crazy.
But it not be easy. The way the economy do there, it be hard. Because you say I make slow day, I make slow. The economy there be hard.
Let's say busuya in someone Ghana for editu dwa and amene kokoti ede ba ye no. Omo kire say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aban no e ba ye no. Bo sha o share nya de a watimi ede so. Omo kire say odintro eni ndada ina babeji tumi no ede free MPP nsem. Omo say first na komko kromu ananka eniema ye omko kromu a anye hwe no mbeko fie de ombede beko fie de omo ne omo babedi omo nanfofo omo de befa card de nka omunya nanso ena NDC John Dramani Mahama aban no eba ye no enema mu aye din pa ye de amomo a se omo ton a ento na de omo ye bia nso no enye ye na asaba ko kan ye a eto makoma so pa no say o say MPP ewa aban mu no na onkotwa force bill na price na e wo fom ye ntia no de ba market na onso beton a onya bi eden e wo so but NDC aban no ba ye no force bill no kotwa price na ne bo na din nti se wa market kra na untimi enton nya osika o de kotwa force bill no na wonya mpaso mpo wo so osanso kire mu se wo hwe sende NDC force share bo any insam wo amuka ye ne sende omo be develop oman Ghana mana akakuduru amatimamufo no ho ato omo na enye no no mo hunu omo se kire se omo feel say NDC e de intro ne indada e na kire se be dada Ghana fo a omo le beji tumi no amaye nde timamufo a omo ton wade e wodwo mo no ebre eno nti ye ne be mu didi nkomo busa omo se nkolari school ya omo ko na fi omo hu ne sen na omo kire mo se afi de yantohwe a kire se eniema omko kraba yi nyina no ayo muka isan se wo market a yentohwe ni nyina ne se headmasters for no ton eniema omoton ni bi no e wo school mu honom eno enam so ema awofo a omo de omoba ko senior high school afi we no any option bia some beto ne manifest school ni isan se omo chese schools ni bi wo honom a headmaster na headmistress ni tika kire wo se wo to sa de we fra bontin ba yenje so to fi school man no na prescribed one school no epe na kire so ma kire won sa e de go achi a wo ye won hwe a enye yi enam so e ma ye maame mu ene enwano mu a omo se omo ton ade e wo market no afiwe no edwa no anko yiye amfa ama omo a aye awra wo sempa kire se ukopie mu e wo market no dia aye osun a omo twe ejajo esun frɛ MPP aban se omo mbra na omo sama maji omo na we na mebusa se na se NDC for ba ye enche se wo hwa yesuo mu in January 7th January 7th and I swear in the His Excellency the President of the Republic John Dramani Mahama nti so share January 7th na we share and the data and there I think on the 5th right 5th of November that is in 2 days time that is say bus afi on better so benya be 11 months that is next month that is say afi mu na that is ye wura mu in 2026 no na eba ne sen na bosumi aban oba ya onya afi krade wotim tate no hu efre aban da otu no go ye no na omo chile mo say na aban da no na enema bi wo hono na ne bo ne ye den say petrol na dollar wo 14 cedis ne ade but na oton ade ayeto na unya saka fie but enda mo say dollar no aba form no omo say busuya no kwene anwenim dollar ne de aba form ewo Bank of Ghana na so ne to market enema price no e ga so wo soro every day no omo market enema price no soro na je say e ko it me busa say na say e ba sa de na then na reason no because say dollar no wo form de automatically na say it me affect enema prices na enema heading the prices no ba form say na be ya amount fon so a omkoto kodi dwa no so no ehun be hia omo na say ko ba say wo kan say even though say price no ever form no it is not reflecting in the market there that just say dollar no aba form no deceiving na omo deceiving ana and Ghana for ni be say yes omo feel it say John Dramani Mahama aban no ye enema bi e wo suma say a or de da nipa say ni country na obu no enema ekoyi but timamufo no mo anim no e be dey dance say enema bo ogusu ye din a timamufo no ebre. So after listening to all these things, I came to the conclusion that it means that the NDC are buying settings. Yes. Settings are actually said they don't even care about we the people, the citizens and the things that we go through. And now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama buying propose a salary increment to the public sector workers. The can can 2.5%. And I penny for can say no 2.5% the idea budget. And I feel almost 5%. But still, you for say it is an insult. Say the last governmental free so no last quarter, MIN 25% increment. Now, I'll buy house by in the year no buy ya. Now come by 5% there. Now they say item the day pan over there because we are expecting nothing not less than 30 to 35% increment in the public sector. And this open up a catcher say you are giving us 5% there. It's total insult to the public sector workers. That is when I work say na ye ma me mo ye nua no mo ene ye na mfo a omo ye adwuma public sector no so ebuafu yi papa mo kire say John Dramani Mahama e di omo hwambo papa because bosha wo share no enya de a odi so we eye nsem no mu bia ebusun ekopie mo yo market no ye nso vote ya ye de ba betu mo nim e wo Ghana nsem TV eso ma me hu anso adwenkyere emfamfa nkomo a ye market for no kokodi ye nsem mo de dudua no ene de won so wodwene fa nsem a omo eka kire ye no ugidi say de omo ka no no kre ana say ebuslimuka ine ba bi omo de begu abonten ma ye hu adwenkyere e wo comment section no ha ye Ghana nsem TV na edi amje so any promise let's say obrebia bia no hu video we na wo like it na wa share wo wi nso ana kire say wa kire wa dwen e wo comment section ne mu eno bua e ma video no kwa kire ma adodo afoforo nso enye bihwe e da so nyanto bo say na utie